All right, everybody. I think I'm back. Hopefully, I'm not alone. Alone, but not lonely. So I rebooted everything, and it's screaming excellent connection, and I'm looking at good upload speeds, and so hopefully that'll save us for the day. We shall see. We shall see. I got one like. At least somebody's with me. I'll bet it's Miss Kerry. Loyal as the day is long. So, okay. So anyway, I'm getting right back into it. We were looking at CLOV. CLOV on the daily. It's got a little bit of a hammer. It's got some upward momentum. Oh no, that's still on the S&P. Oh my goodness gracious. Um, that's it. I'm going fishing. Let's see if my chart software needs to be rebooted. Yep, I'm all up. The chart that should be working. Yeah, Kerry's back. How you doing? That's all right. All my free folk are joining me. So I guess OCGN doesn't want to come up for us, but I know S&P wants to come up for us. Oh yeah, there goes all my charts. Everybody's catching up. All right, let's hope that was the fix. A little recycling on the routers and the modem, and maybe we'll be streaming for a little bit before we have a hiccup. Ah. I think the next move is I'm just going to throw out all the real remote equipment that I would use if I was setting out to sea, and we'll see how that hooks up over here. I think I'm getting some. It's just the trees and everything block the satellite view, but yeah, it looks like it might be strong enough. We might be able to do it. Um, all right. So anyway, I hope everybody had a good weekend and enjoyed whatever experience they were having, and they're getting out and about. I have one kid who has a little bit of a phobia from this. Because her mother is a healthcare professional, and yeah, she's always talking about this. Uh, um, Her mother, my lover, and so I see the kid has a little phobia. She's afraid to go and hang out with her friends and things of that nature. So I did give her a little shove last week to take part in an activity where they went to an amusement park, and it was locked down. The whole park was closed down for the group, um, and it was just the group that was there, and they had a pretty good. She was pretty excited. She came back, all enthusiastic about hanging out with her friends again and everything, and looking forward to going back to school. So that was good. Big psychological component going on with this. Oh, look at that! As soon as we get going, boom, we get a lousy connection again. Yeah, I've done everything I could possibly think of right now. Now it's just a matter of getting some equipment, and that should improve our situation a little better. Yeah, I wouldn't even be surprised if it was this computer specific that had a lot to do with it too. And my naivety, I'm sure, is playing a role here also. But what do we have? We have an hour until the market opens. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I can't even get the speed test up. Yeah, you know what? This bit of equipment is what's hanging me up. Boy, I'll tell you, I'm running a test on the network on all the computers that are running here, and the one with the OBS is probably the worst. Not a terrible latency. All right, well, we're isolating our problems at the very least. Yeah, okay. What we're going to do today is we're going to muddle through um, the best we can today and talk about the market, watch it trade, and the whole 9 yards. I think tomorrow we're going to I'm going to work through the night. I have another piece of equipment I think I could build and have it ready for tomorrow. And maybe we could do even better tomorrow. Certainly doesn't lend to me retaining my subscribers, but hopefully the market will be entertaining enough that it'll keep it going. So what else is going on out there? Mm-mm. Hmm. Yep, my charts look a little goofy also. But I am up and running, so I'm not going to complain. Let's see if we upload a little more historical data. All right, so if it's a slow market today, I want to talk a little bit about support and resistance and when to trade that. So if we find that it's really dry, we should be able to get into some really interesting stuff. Um, if we can't get that done today, I want to make a little video and see how that's going. Make a little video and throw that up. See, now I'm distracted because this is setting me that I'm streaming appropriately. Even my trading software's down. Okay, I think it does have a lot to do with this computer here. Hmm. No, I suppose. Yeah, yeah.
Connection lost. Connection.
Well, it looks like we're up. No feedback, no anything. And Dow futures are trading off 16 points. They were down 32, so it's coming around. S&P 500 is right where it was, up about 1.5. Um, Nasdaq futures up 32. Oil's up 68 cents. Just in time for the drive to the beach. Well, it looks like we got a whole bunch of people online with us, but nobody's talking to me. I guess everybody's just waiting for the market to open. All right, I'm going to step away from the computer for 2 minutes. I have a coffee mug. Make sure I have my water set. Try to get ready for the day. So perhaps everybody is in the background. I think tomorrow we're going to start at 30. So we can get a meeting pretty quick. There's not a whole bunch to talk about these days. We'll keep doing what we're doing right now. But yeah, tomorrow I'm thinking 8:30 is a good move. So we don't just sit around waiting for the market to open. We'll get our morning market wrap up done. It'll give me more time to try to test everything out, make sure that we're rocking and rolling, and then we can get right into the trading day, see where the market opens and what we're going to do with it. Hey, Zach Attack! Forgot to set your alarm. That's all right. That's what you do when you're 15. God bless you. I'm just going to go run and fill my mug, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. 40 minutes till the game starts. Hey, good morning, John M. Thanks for joining us. I'm sure I don't need to remind you to hit the like, hit the bell, hit the subscribe. And you know we keep a little Cash App link down in the description if you guys are so inclined to throw a buck our way. Help us put a quarter in the meter for the internet access so that they stop throttling me back. Just nothing happening. Anybody have any questions? Maybe you looked at that pivot point video again and want to know something I can demonstrate for you while we wait for the market to open? We're here. The Head and Shoulders. Wow, Tommy, you're really you're in love with that move, huh? Yeah, I could show you a Head and Shoulders again. It's hard to find them, but let's take a look at a daily chart. Everything's still loading, damn thing. Actually, you know what, Tommy? Yeah, I think so that I can make it perfectly clear for you, and you'll be comfortable with the definition or the resolution. All right. Continue. All right. All these charts are loading up a little bit. I'm looking through all the different. Okay, I think I found a decent one for you. All right, Mr. Tommy Tom. Okay, let's condense this a little bit. All right, first of all, here's a regular Head and Shoulders. Now, you see the range that my cursor is going up and down. Okay, in order to have a Head and Shoulders, you need to move, right? So here's a move at 42.32.22 and a high of 42.42. 42.42. I lost my glasses. Hold on 1 second. There we go. Okay, now I can see the chart too. All right, so you have to move up, and it moves up here aggressively, and then trades down, creates the first neckline. It goes back up and makes a higher high, and it trades down, and then boom, it breaks the shoulder. Now, ignore that stuff. If shoulder and then makes a move down. Now, nothing's ever guaranteed, right? So I'm going to put the horizontal line on the neckline, and I'm going to put a horizontal line up on the head so that you can see it clearly. And that's the pattern I'm looking for. The shoulders are relatively equal, the head is a little bit higher. But what makes it important is if you look down at the MACD, my Mac Daddy, you'll see that we make a shoulder high, and MACD makes a high. And then the price action moves up to make the head, and the MACD is fading off. And then when it comes back and creates the other shoulder, you can see the momentum is still falling off. And that's a good indication that the trend is coming to an end. And it could go into consolidation, but what you're looking for is a reversal. So we would take the trade, breaking neckline. We'd probably take the trade right here. Maybe put our stop above the neck shoulder. You see it broke that, it returned up, and then traded off. Now the hour if you look at the average, it's after 3 o'clock. You're getting a lot of closing trades. This is not really a time that I would trade because a lot of the positions don't have follow through. But if this were to happen today, there's a good chance that this would come down, maybe fill half of this move up. Your target would be down here. You would look at what your targets are. You could put your Fibonacci's out there and find your targets. But this is a fairly decent looking head and shoulders. And that's called a head and shoulders. When it happens on a down move, and we'll scoot through here and see if we can find it. When it happens on a down move, it's called an inverted head and shoulders. And you're looking for the same thing. You're just looking for it to happen on the reversal. And I don't really see any. They're really great volatility trades when you have a lot of volatility and the market's swinging in the right direction. Other than that, it's I mean, they're all going to play out, and you need to right market climb. So, that's part of the lessons I'm going to be making videos about. Knowing when to and when not to trade. Did I make that clear? Because I know we're fighting the internet over here. It's going to get worse because we just hit thunderstorm too. All right, glad to hear it. Yeah, it's pretty choppy. It's going to get worse too because it's raining, and this stuff usually goes out pretty bad when it rains. Actually, you know what? I'm going to give something a shot right here. You bet, man. You're very welcome. I appreciate you hanging in and dealing with the rhetoric. I'm trying to get the IP vendor on the line just